Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Amazon Prime if it's not working after you subscribed or made a payment. So step 1, make sure that your payment was successfully processed. And next, go to amazon.com or primevideo.com and then go to your account, then memberships and subscriptions. Step 2, log out and log back into your Amazon account. Step 3. On mobile, clear cache or update the Amazon app to the latest version. Step 4. On browser, clear cookies and try your incognito mode. Step 5. Check if your Prime status is active. If not, contact Amazon support to verify activation. Step 6. If you are using Prime Video, go to Prime Video settings and make sure that your region is supported. And that should fix most issues after a successful subscription or payment. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.